In this video we're going to look at themes that have more than one column. So if I go to my web page, an example I created with some of the first training videos, you'll see that this site just has one column. To keep the original training video simple, I only suggested themes that had this one column layout. If I go back to my dashboard here though, and I go and look at some of the other themes available, I'll see that some of them have more than one column. What these other columns are used for are for toolbars. You can see here in this theme that's available, there's the main column and then the sidebar column. Same thing with some of these other ones. So I'm going to go back to Manage Themes, and in a previous advanced video I added this theme which I downloaded from Google. I'm going to go ahead and activate that right now, and then I can go ahead and refresh that at my own page, and we see that I have my main column here that has my resume, and then on the right hand side there's another column which has the toolbars. For a resume site you don't always need the things that are over here on the toolbars, which was why I didn't put these in the original videos. But if you wanted to come in here and play with the option of using the sidebar here, that's what this video is for. So you can see in this example there's a navigation area and a meta area, and if I go back to my dashboard we can change some of these. So from your dashboard, go to the Appearance tab and then select Widgets, and that brings up a window that shows your sidebar over here on the right hand side. You can see right now I have one widget that's my navigation, and these are all the available widgets that I can add. So if you want to add a list of links to your site, you can drag that over here. If I wanted to add a calendar, I could drag that over here. And you just drag and drop things that you want to add to your sidebar. And then I can go back to my main site here, hit refresh, and see what changes I just added. So right now I still have my navigation list. I just added this calendar, and down here is the blog roll, which was the links widget that I added. So I'm going to go back right now and show you one widget that I like to use. I'm going to go ahead and get rid of the links and get rid of the calendar. I'm going to leave the navigation page up there, and I'm going to add a text widget. Now what a text widget is basically a blank area where I can add whatever I want. So for example, if I just want to type a message in right here, "Hi, my name is Toby, welcome to my resume web page," and then add a title like "About Me," hit save, go back to my site and hit refresh, and I'll see that I've added a new section on here with a bit of text. So let's see if I can do something with this that I think might be useful. Go back to the widget. I'm going to recall it Resources. Go ahead and delete what I have here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add college transcripts, employer letter of recommendation. In previous videos I've showed you how to add these as new pages, but if you don't want to make a complete new page for something like a transcript, you can just add a link over in your sidebar. So I'm going to go ahead and hit save so I can go and view these on my web page. Go back here and hit refresh, and I can see now that I have a resource section that has college transcripts and a letter of recommendation. Now I need to try to turn these into actual links though that link to these files. To do that, there's two steps. The first one is to upload those files to my web page, and then I have to create the HTML code to make these links work. I'll show you how to upload the files and create the links in the next video. In this video I just want you to take away how to use a 2-column theme and how to edit your sidebar under the Widgets tab on your WordPress dashboard. Being able to work with a 2-column theme will give you a lot more options for themes to work with, both on the themes that you can find in WordPress and also on other sites like Google.